Hi everyone, we're going to solve trig equations. This is part 2, and we're going to solve on the interval between 0 and 2 pi. And the first one we have is 4 sine of theta plus 2 square root of 2 equals 0. I'm going to subtract the 2 square root of 2, so you get negative 2 square root of 2. Divide both sides by 4, and you get sine of theta equals negative square root of 2 over 2. Well, sine of theta is negative in quadrants 3 and 4, and so that's going to be 5 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4. And those are your two solutions. The next one we have is cosine squared of theta equals 4 times 1 plus sine of theta. And I'm going to go ahead and write this as 1. I'm going to write this, I'm solving, so I'm going to write this as 1 minus sine squared. Distribute here. And move everything over to the right. So you can get sine squared theta plus 4 sine of theta plus 3 equals 0. Factor. And you get sine of theta plus 3 sine of theta plus 1 equals 0. And for this side, you get sine of theta equals negative 3, which is no solution. And for this side, you get sine of theta equals negative 1. So that means theta equals 3 pi over 2. And that's your only solution, because this doesn't make sense here. And the last one we have is sine of theta minus cosecant of theta equals 0. I'm going to go ahead and move the cosecant over to the right side and then write it as a ratio in terms of sine. Now I'm going to cross multiply. I get sine squared of theta equals 1. And when I take the square root of both sides, don't forget your plus and minus. If you don't, you'll leave out a solution. So we get plus or minus 1. So that means sine is at 1, it's pi over 2. At negative 1, it's 3 pi over 2. So those are your two solutions, pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2 on the interval 0 to 2 pi. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.